What's the meaning of contemporaneous? Contemporaneous. Contemporaneous.
Contemporaneous. Contemporaneous. The word contemporaneous refers to things or events that occurred during the same time period. It is often used to describe things that are happening at the same time or were produced during the same era. For example, a novel that was written during the 19th century would be considered contemporaneous with other literary works from that same time period. This word can also be used in legal contexts to describe evidence or testimony that relates directly to the time period in question. Overall, contemporaneous simply means existing or occurring at the same time.